Hi guys, it's Shae, back again for another loc update. This is now 22 months. Not a lot has changed, still growing, still low maintenance. I'm still happy. I have been wearing my hair in this low bun for like I do it, kind of often because it's been really hot out here. So low bun, nothing spectacular. If you can see, I'll try to get you a 360 in a second. But anyway, so yeah, still washing my hair once every week or every 2 weeks. And I know someone had asked me about how I two-strand twist my hair, because every time I wash my hair, I two-strand twist it. I never really wear it straight. So I have a video on that I'll insert, like a little update, but it's pretty much like the one that I have posted previously about my two-strand twist, but I will add that there. And then I also wanted to show you guys how I let my hair air dry when I'm going out to run errands. So, like if I wash it that morning and I still have things to do that day, I'll just show you how I put it up. What else? Oh, I tried a new hairstyle this month that I was really happy about because it came out well, because I have more length now, and that is about it. But like I said, still low maintenance. I'm just happy. I still haven't dyed it. I'll do that soon. But yeah, that's about it. So let me try to get this 360 for you. So like I said, really low maintenance. It's just a low bun. I have some bungee cords. I have some bungee cords that I ordered from Amazon that I just wrap it around there. And I use a few rubber bands to just tuck it all in. But yeah, I hope I got it good for you. Okay, we'll see. All right, I am done with my hair. So like the last thing I do is just put some oil on it. I kind of go down the parts and do that so that my scalp was kind of dry, so I needed to stay moisturized. So yeah, I'll just do that. Generally when I twist it up like this, and like, because it's Saturday morning right now, so I have errands to run, but what I'll do is probably put it under like a scarf, not a scarf, but like a wrap or something. But I was noticing, I'm like, shoot, I can't wait until it gets long enough to where I can twist it up like this and just wear it out and let it dry. Like I don't have to cover it, but right now, I don't know if I'm too comfortable like going out like this. So yeah, I'll wrap it up, and that is it. All right, so I am, like I said, I have errands to run, so my hair is still twisted up under this, and I am going to go out. I got this long time ago from Nordstrom, I believe. And you know, these things are common. I forget what they're called, but they're cute, and I don't wear it enough. So I'm gonna go out and run my errands. Just got some jeans on, and that is that. All right, see you guys. So look at this cute little top knot that I just did. Ooh, what's that in my hair? I've done top knots before, but I never really liked them because they always kind of look a little weird. But this one I like because it is more flat. And I did it by wrapping this. I kind of split it in two, wrap this one around that way, and then I wrap the other one around that way, and it's kind of like flat and nice. You know what? I started to realize that as my hair is growing, I can start to do, well, the styles that I have done in the past start to look a little different, and I'm happy about it. Okay, so remember when I said I don't wear my hair straight? Well, I have to today because I went swimming yesterday. I'm actually taking swimming lessons because I don't know how to swim. Anyway, I'm learning now. So I washed my hair. I went swimming, washed my hair, just kept it straight like this because I have another swimming lesson today and some more this weekend. So anyway, I have to go out. The kids have a doctor's appointment, so I'm going to figure out how to wear my hair. I don't just want it straight like this. So as I was saying, because my camera, the battery went out, I need to figure out how I want to wear it. So I think I'm just going to, I have this little ribbon here that I've had forever. I think it came off of a dress, like years and years. But anyway, it's long enough for me to kind of like make a headband. So I think that's what I want to do. So let's see here. So I kind of just see how long it is to where I can just probably like double it. So I'll put it back. And then I'll cross it again, and I still have room left to kind of like make a small little, a tight little bow at the bottom. tying it tight back here. Okay, so there. So yeah, that's how I will wear it. So yeah, I will wear it like this. Freshly washed. All I did was wash it with the Shae Moisture Power Greens, and that was it. I just did like a quick wash because I knew I was gonna go swimming today. And then I put some of my castor oil mix. I don't even know what I mixed it with, but it's probably like castor oil, apricot oil, and something else. Just put it on there, let it air dry last night. It's still a little damp, and that's it. And so I'll go swimming again. Today I'll wash it the same way tonight because I have to swim again this weekend. Then after that, after my swimming lessons are done, I might not, I don't know if I'll be swimming every day or what. Because I'm so excited because I'm gonna be a swimmer now. But anyway, yeah, we'll see. But yep, I'm wearing it straight. So we'll see how it goes.